There are two techniques for the serratus anterior that I find really useful, and I like to do them together. The first is going to be side lying. Yes, side lying. I know it's a bit harder to get into, but this is the best way to treat the serratus anterior. You're going to lock in on the lateral border of the scapula and gently drag posteriorly towards the ribs, following the fiber direction of the serratus anterior as the client moves their arm across their body in adduction. Now, I really like this technique because it's going to improve scapular mobility. It's going to reduce pain in the shoulder and rib areas. It's going to enhance breathing efficiency. And it's just good at preventing overuse injuries and also trigger points. Now, you could do it passively or simply lock in actively with a pin and stretch and get the client to move their arm across their body and down as you slowly move through that tissue. This is going to be really good for athletes, particularly boxers, swimmers, climbers. You can even come around the body and then use your fingertips instead of a broad knuckle contact. And this works really well. Just depends on what you find more comfortable as a therapist. The second technique that I absolutely love to combine with that fascial movement release is this manual osteopathy technique. Bring the client's arm across their body with their elbow pointing up to the ceiling. With your lower hand, you're going to place it around ribs 6 through 8 at the angle of the ribs. They're going to press up into your hand for 6 to 10 seconds, and then they're going to relax. And then you're going to bring the arm across the body slightly, and then with your lower hand, you're tractioning, you're pulling towards you, and you're creating this nice fascial glide if someone has really stuck ribs. This is a muscle energy technique with a little bit of fascial glide. You can do this technique 4 to 6 times or however long it needs until motion is maximally improved at the dysfunctional ribs. Now, this is going to be good for people who have dysfunction that looks like sharp or dull pain with deep breathing, pain that refers into the mid-back and even the abdomen, or if there's just a rib restriction on one side or the other, or even a breathing asymmetry or just shallow respiration in general.